Morning, guys. Welcome back to the show. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys are doing your research, okay? Let's get into our morning show here. Have a look at the markets real quick. Jasmy's up almost 10% this morning. Pumping. If we can get it's 2042. If we can break through 2044, we could see a nice little run up here, possibly 208, maybe double in price. So cross your fingers, guys. Cross your fingers. See what the charts do. Jasmy's down 1.5%. Good DCA opportunity. Aster's pumping 12.5% as well. That's in the Polkadot ecosystem, if you're wondering. ICP's up 6.5%. Flare's up 7%. Shiba Inu's pumping 5.5%. What else do we got here? Bitcoin holding 29.5. XDC is down 5.5%. Good DCA opportunity there on a pullback. XRP's up 1%. Casper's pumping 5%. Near's pumping 3.5%. Quant 2.5%. Cardano's up 2%. It's looking pretty nice out there, guys. Mixed bag, mostly green though, mostly green. All right, let's get into it here. Eleanor Tourette. This is interesting. There is a reason the older people versus technology stereotype exists. Ages of the 6 Democrats that voted for the bill are 34, 41, or sorry, 35, 41, 47, 48, 50, and 57. Average age of 46 years old. The average age of the rest of the Democrats that voted against the bill is 61 years old. Stereotypes exist for a reason, guys. What do we got? Today is the day. Jasmy is up 8% every day. Infrastructure, the infrastructure category that Jasmy has been moved to on Binance is classified as listed below are the top infrastructure tokens. Jasmy's number 1. Tokens are projects that specialize in providing components and systems that form the backbone of blockchains, helping them run smoothly. That is a category that Jasmy has been moved to, for those who are wondering. It is no longer in the innovation zone. So, bullish news. Jasmy is pumping 2 days in a row on the news. Hopefully it continues. Could use Bitcoin starting to pump would really help, though. Wheel charts is breaking. BlackRock joins hands with Zhao Financial Services to launch first digital asset manager. So, more bullish. Like I keep telling you guys, this bullish news just doesn't stop, right? Custodies, ETFs, like adoption is just running wild all of a sudden. Whale chart says breaking. A new leak has allegedly revealed that the Grand Theft Auto 6 game will have support for cryptocurrency. I heard this before. I heard this a few months ago that they were talking about something about money that you make on GTA 6 could be converted to real money in real world or something. I don't know what the application is. Maybe it's a play to earn. Maybe they're integrating play to earn with Grand Theft Auto 6. But I haven't played Grand Theft Auto since like Grand Theft Auto 2 on the like Nintendo 1 or something like that. So, but interesting news. We'll see how that develops. Maybe it's a play to earn type situation. We'll have to check it out. Not a very good thing for kids, though, if you ask me. It's teaching them to make money by jacking cars and stuff, but whatever. Skydolic says, I've just added space to my portfolio. This looks like it could be a very strong project with large upside potential. Aped in here with a medium bag because I think there's a chance it will revisit $10 to $11. If not, my bag is tasty enough and will hodl to Valhalla. I don't think a medium-term 10x is unrealistic from here. Who else is holding space? Guys, I've been talking about space since it was $2. Let's have a look at it right now. Yeah, it's $13.22 right now. It got as high as $18. I started telling you guys about it at $2. It's having a bit of a pullback. So if it's a solid layer one project in my opinion. It's going to be one of the better layer ones in terms of ROI. Um, this bull run. So I think that if you're looking for an opportunity to start DCing into it, this would be it. It's down 6.5% today, so this would be a good opportunity for those seeking opportunities. Whale chart says breaking. Crypto exchange Crypto.com authorized to provide services with the Netherlands. So we got more coming in that in a few minutes. Bitcoin Magazine says pro-Bitcoin U.S. congressman, those attacking self-custody want someone they control to control your assets. Exactly. Any congressman who has a problem with you self-custodying your crypto, what's the obvious implications of that? They have a problem with you controlling your own money. Why would they have a problem with you controlling your own money? Because then they don't control your money, right? These things matter when it comes time to vote, you guys. I'm not American, so this is your guys' call, right? Protect yourselves. Pay attention to who's doing this kind of stuff, who's saying this kind of stuff, and vote them out, right? I would never vote for someone who wanted openly saying they want control of my money and they don't want me to have control of my money. You're done. Bye. Scardus says, been seeing a lot of FUD recently about Hedera and HBAR. When I look into it, it's coming from people who expect immediate profits or people who don't understand what Hashgraph is. Not everything is about price action. The community is here because we know how life-changing life tech is. We don't even know the full capabilities of the network yet because it's still very young. I'm not a maxi by any means, but I know when I see something that's capable of shaking up an entire industry, ignore the noise. I agree and disagree with this individual. Okay, I agree that the potential for HBAR, and I love HBAR. You're talking to someone who's mega bullish on HBAR, right? But these are the kind of people you got to be careful about when you're following. Like this guy just contradicted himself in two separate sentences back to back. He said, not everything is about price action. And in the very next sentence, he talks about it being life-changing. It's not about money, but it's about making life-changing money. You understand what I'm saying here? Like, you got to watch these people. They don't even, when someone talks that out of both sides of their mouth that quickly, literally back-to-back sentences, you have to wonder if they know what the hell they're talking about, right? They're just spewing bullish nonsense at that point. Now, like I said, I'm bullish on HBAR. I love HBAR. I continue every week to buy HBAR because I think that it's going to make me a lot of money. But the other factor here is that this person's also saying that, not everything's about money. We're all here for money. Anyone who says that they're investing their money into crypto for not money is full of it. I'm sorry. We are all here for money. Yes, it is about money. Community's great, community's fun, community's awesome when it comes to investing in crypto. But we're here for the money. If someone threw two balloons up in the air and you had to catch one and that's what you were going to get, one of them was community and the other one was money, you'd reach for the one that said money. I'm sorry. So don't sit there and tell me that this is not about money. It's all about money. That's why we're doing this. If it wasn't about money, they'd be saying we wouldn't be investing money. They'd be asking us to invest good feelings or something. So anyways, just my thoughts on that, guys. Be careful who you're following. Very bullish on HBAR, not fighting HBAR at all. Love HBAR. Corn Bureau says U.S. politicians are making progress on passing two crypto bills that will introduce reasonable crypto regulation. And they both passed, from my understanding. And there's still one more step before going to the president's desk where he has to sign it into law, from what I understand about American politics. So but this is the farthest any crypto bill has ever gotten. So it'll be interesting to see where it goes from here. Mr. Hubert says yes. He's retweeting here. It says, so 3 out of 5 got a vote to go after Ripple for an appeal. And he says yes. If Hester Pearson, Gary Gensler vote for an appeal, which is pretty sure that they will, they need one more to file it. Now the reason that I bring this up is because, and I'm going to read this article that Gary interview Gary did yesterday. And he didn't sound very positive, very confident that he was going to be able to get the 3 votes to appeal the decision. So that'll be interesting if he can't get the votes to do it. He's coming off not as aggressive as he was before. I wonder why that is. Someone spayed him. So let's get into this here. Following the summary judgment delivered in favor of Ripple on the ongoing XRP SEC lawsuit, the chair of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, Gary Gensler, remains taciturn, whatever that means, taciturn on the commission's next line of action. During a segment on Bloomberg TV, Gensler was evasive on questions bothering on whether the SEC intends to appeal the judgment. He, however, maintained that the SEC was yet to take action, having previously expressed disappointment over the ruling, stating that the agency intends to evaluate the ruling in the Ripple Labs lawsuit. Uncertainty trails Gensler's evasiveness. In a ruling delivered by Judge Torres, the XRP token was classified as a security primarily when selling them to institutional investors, while sales to retail investors were considered not to be a violation of federal securities law. Sorry, guys. The impact of the ruling was massive as major crypto exchanges like Coinbase relisted the XRP token on their platform. The market reacted positively, with XRP experiencing impressive price rallies reaching over 80 cents. It actually got to 94 cents, I believe, on some exchanges. In light of the favorable decision following the ruling, there has been a demand for clarity on what the SEC intends to do next, but the SEC, Gary Gensler, has largely refrained from offering any meaningful statement, only stating that the SEC is clearly analyzing the decision. So basically, rumor has it that Gary might not be able to get the votes to file an appeal because some of the one or two of the people that normally vote on his side might be feeling that they don't stand a chance at winning an appeal, so they don't want to lose twice, so to speak. And not to mention the fact that, from what I understand from what John Deaton says and Jeremy Hogan, if the SEC does end up filing an appeal, which they have to wait until the case is over, which could be 2 years from now, by the way. If they did decide to appeal, then if they lose that appeal in a higher court, then that means that would, because right now it's different circuit courts don't have to abide by that ruling. It's just a precedent in the Second Circuit, right? But if a higher court, if they lose at a higher court, apparently that precedent, all of the courts have to abide by that one. All the lower courts have to abide by that decision. Then, from my understanding, that's a very poor description of it, but from my understanding, basically, if they appeal and they lose again, then it kind of more cements where more judges have to kind of use that decision moving forward. So it would severely damage the SEC's ability, even more so, to do any significant damage. But then again, with this court, or with these bills that are going to be passed, how much power is Gary going to have anymore anyways after these are passed? He's going to be done, right? They're going to probably get that. That'll probably be when he resigns. They're going to pass these bills, and then Gary's going to say, "Well, I'm quitting because now I can't do anything. If these bills pass, he's done. He has zero authority. There will be regulation, right?" So We got a recent announcement. Binance listed WorldCoin. Again, you guys, I've told you multiple times about WorldCoin. The tokenomics on it are atrocious right now, and I would not advise buying it if it was me. Tokenomics, I believe there's like 10 billion total supply, and only 1% of that is in circulation. So it kind of seems to me like what they're doing is they're waiting for enough money, enough retail to get into it, and then they're going to crash the market. They're going to crash the token, right? They're going to release a. They're going to market's going to flood with supply. Like it says at 1%, it's going to crash from $2 down to like under a penny, right? So I wouldn't recommend buying it right now. If you, like I said, if you want to buy it, I would wait for it to crater under a penny, and then I would buy it. That's what my strategy would be. I might buy some when it goes under a penny. I might. I don't know. But I'll tell you right now, I'm not buying it right now. Not with these tokenomics. No thanks. No, spank you. Ba, ba, ba. What do we got? We got the Jasmy Aveda laptop. The Jasmy online store is live now with 3 available options for purchasing the Jasmy Secure PC. So if you want to buy one, go to Jasmy store and you can order one online. From my understanding, in South Asia, they already have over 20,000 orders. Now that you can buy it online, I wonder how many orders they're going to be faced with. I think they're going to be flooded with them. It's the very first computer, laptop, desktop, anything integrated with blockchain technology. So I think this is going to be the standard moving forward. In a couple of years, all laptops, desktops, smartphones, and tablets are going to have blockchain integration in them. In my opinion, not a lot of people are talking about that right now. In fact, I'm the only person on YouTube I've seen talking about that fact moving forward, but I guess we'll find out who's right. Okay, so now we're talking about the Crypto.com, the big story of the day. Netherlands embrace crypto giant Crypto.com. Just got the green light in the Netherlands. They've been registered as a provider of crypto services by DNB, their primary bank out there. This registration is a result of a comprehensive review of Crypto.com's business and compliance practices by the central bank in the Netherlands, which honestly is kind of bullish news. If like someone like me, I have a Crypto.com account, I've never really funded it or anything, but gives me a little bit more confidence in the exchange, right? To know that they've been, in great detail, a comprehensive review of the business model for Crypto.com and everything that goes with it by the central bank in the Netherlands is bullish news, right? Chris, CEO of Crypto.com, highlighted the significance of the move. This isn't just a win for Crypto.com, but for the entire blockchain and crypto industry. It's a sign that the industry is maturing, being recognized, and regulated. They've already secured licenses across the globe: Singapore, France, UK, Dubai, South Korea, Australia, Spain, Italy, Greece, Cyprus, and Cayman Islands, and the US. This is a testament to the incredible growth of the global adoption of crypto. It is not just about one company's success, it's about paving the way for the future where digital assets are a norm, not a novelty. So what does this mean for you? Well, it's just another step towards global acceptance of crypto, opening up even more opportunities for investment, transactions, and growth. The crypto revolution isn't coming, it's already here. Congrats to Crypto.com and everyone involved in the significant milestone. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned for more exciting developments from the world of crypto. Sorry, I'm tired, guys. Crypto.com posts underneath saying, listen up, Canada, for a limited time. I'm in Canada, so this is significant to me. New users can get up to 10% rebate on their crypto purchases, available for the first 1,000 participants only. Oh, I don't know if that's a scam or not. It kind of seems like one. It's a promoted thing, so but it comes from Crypto.com. Yellow check mark. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not clicking any. I don't click links, so guys, I don't recommend you click links. If you want to use Crypto.com, then I would just go to their website. I wouldn't click a link on Twitter. You don't want to get burned. So, anyways, guys, that's the news this morning. I'll be back this evening for another live stream. So make sure you guys are sticking around for that. And I'll be gone on Saturday tomorrow. I'll try to get a video for the road again. I got another that 8-hour drive, so I'll be gone for that. So I'll try to get a couple of road videos out there. They seem to be successful last time. You guys seem to like them. So stay tuned for those. Anyways, like and subscribe, you guys. Let's keep growing. Let's smash that subscribe button. And yeah, shoot me a comment down below, and I'll talk to you guys later tonight.